So, when acetic acid react with sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, sodium acetate, water and carbon dioxide gas are formed. So the gas releases carbon dioxide gas. If we want to test the presence of carbon dioxide gas, what we can do? We can allow carbon dioxide gas to pass through lime water. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water, it turns milky. This is detection for the presence of carbon dioxide gas. So, scientific name of lime water is calcium hydroxide. CaOH whole twice. This is calcium hydroxide, lime water. So when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to formation of calcium carbonate. This insoluble calcium carbonate, it turns lime water milky and water is formed. So when carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to formation of insoluble calcium carbonate. Now the next reaction, chemical change, which is given in your book is when iron is left in air contain moisture and oxygen. So in presence of moisture and oxygen, iron get rusted due to formation of iron oxide, which is a compound of iron which we call rust, and X molecule of water also. So this is the rust. So iron in presence of water and oxygen, it change into rust. So to prevent rusting, iron, it should not come in contact with moisture and oxygen. So to prevent rusting, what we do, we paint iron article, और वी कैन डू ग्रीसिंग ऑयलिंग ओवर आयरन आर्टिकल. लोहे की चीज़ों को हम पेंट करते हैं या उन पर ग्रीसिंग या ऑयलिंग करते हैं ताकि वो मॉइस्ट एयर के कांटेक्ट में ना आए, यानी एयर और मॉइस्चर के कांटेक्ट में ना आए और रस्टिंग प्रिवेंट हो सके. सो बाय पेंटिंग, ऑयलिंग, ग्रीसिंग वी कैन प्रिवेंट रस्टिंग. सम अदर मेथड आर ऑल्सो देयर लाइक एलॉइंग, मेकिंग एलॉय ऑफ आयरन. आयरन के साथ हम कोई मेटल या नॉन मेटल मिक्स करके उसका एलॉय बना सकते हैं और उसमें रस्ट नहीं होता. लाइक स्टेनलेस स्टील इज एन एलॉय ऑफ आयरन. आयरन का एक एलॉय है जिसमें आयरन है, उसके साथ दूसरे मेटल भी मिक्स हैं. लाइक आयरन इज मिक्स विद कार्बन, मैग्नीज, निकल, क्रोमियम, एंड स्टेनलेस स्टील इज मेड with the help of iron. This stainless steel, it does not rust. So by making alloy, we can prevent rusting. Also by galvanization. In galvanization, the iron article, they are dipped in molten zinc and a zinc coating is there over the iron article. The coating of zinc over iron article prevent it from rusting. This is called galvanization. So the next is galvanization. The process of coating iron with zinc to prevent it from rusting is called galvanization. तो galvanization करके जिंक की कोटिंग करके आयरन आर्टिकल को रस्टिंग से बचाया जा सकता है, राइट. सो galvanization, the coating of zinc over iron to prevent it from rusting is called galvanization. And also by electroplating, we can prevent rusting with the help of electric current, electricity, right. We can deposit a thin layer of chromium or any other metal over iron article to prevent it from rusting. Tin and chromium, they are electroplated on iron article to prevent it from rusting. Now the last topic of the chapter is crystallization. The process of making crystal of pure substances from their solution is called crystallization. What is crystallization? Let's see what is crystallization. How we can make crystals. So what I am telling you, the process of making crystal So crystallization, the process of preparing, or you can say making crystals of pure substances from their solutions is called crystallization. Is called crystallization. In your book, a method is given to prepare the crystals of copper sulfate. So how we can prepare crystal of copper sulfate? So it is given in your book that take a cup full of water in a beaker, right? You have to take a cup full of water in a beaker, then add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid in it. Heat the water. When it start boiling, add copper sulfate powder slowly. ठीक है, पानी को गर्म कर लेना है और उसमें कॉपर सल्फेट पाउडर आपको धीरे धीरे ऐड करना है while stirring continuously. उसको continuously हिलाते रहना है with the help of glass rod. Continue adding copper sulfate powder till no more powder can be dissolved. आपको कॉपर पाउडर तब तक ऐड करना है जब तक कि वो डिज़ोल्व होना स्टॉप ना हो जाए. फिल्टर द सॉल्यूशन. उसके बाद आपको सॉल्यूशन को फिल्टर कर लेना है सैचुरेटेड बनाने के बाद. Allow it to cool. Do not disturb the solution when it is cooling. Look at the solution after some hours. What you will find? You will get the crystal of copper sulfate at the bottom of the container. So in this way we can make crystal from the solution of the substance. So this was all in the chapter. Now let's see the exercise of the chapter. Question number 1. Classify the changes as physical or chemical changes. So first is given photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, it is a chemical change. Photosynthesis, during photosynthesis, plant prepare their food in the presence of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. So reaction take place, and that is why photosynthesis is a chemical change. Photosynthesis, it is a chemical change. As chemical reaction take place in this change. Dissolving sugar in water. When sugar dissolves in water, though it disappears, but it is there in the water and it does not lose its properties. So it is a physical change. Dissolving sugar, second one is physical change. Dissolving sugar in water is a physical change. So dissolution of any substance is a physical change. Burning of coal. When we burn anything, new substances are formed. So burning is considered as a chemical change. Next, melting of wax. Melting is a physical change. Change in state only. So it is a physical change. Beating aluminium to make aluminium foil. When we beat aluminium to make a foil, it is a physical change because no new substance is formed here. So it is a physical change. Sixth, digestion of food. When food digested, it undergoes several chemical processes. So it is a chemical change. Digestion of food is a chemical change. Now the next one. State whether the following statement are true or false. Now you have to tell whether the given statement is true or it is false. First, cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change. This is a false. When we cut the log of wood into pieces, there is change in shape and size only. So it is false that it is a chemical change. Actually it is a physical change. Second, formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. This is also false because when leaves convert into manure, many chemical processes they take place. and it is a chemical change, not physical change. Now the next one, iron pipes coated with zinc do not get rusted easily. If iron pipe are coated with zinc, they are galvanized, then they do not rust. This is true. Iron and rust are the same substances. This is false. Iron is different and rust is a compound of iron which is different. Last, condensation of steam is not a chemical change. This is right. Condensation, steam condense to form water, and this is a physical change. It is not a chemical change. So this is a true. It is written, it is not a chemical change, right? Now fill-ups. First, when carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to formation of dash. As I have told you, due to formation of insoluble calcium carbonate. So formation of insoluble calcium carbonate makes lime water milky. So lime water turns milky due to formation of insoluble calcium carbonate. Now the next one. The chemical name of baking soda is. Chemical name of baking soda, as I have told you, sodium. I have written there in the reaction NaSCO3. So sodium, Na, hydrogen and carbonate. Sodium, hydrogen, carbonate. You can also call it sodium bicarbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is the chemical name of baking soda. Now the next figure. Third, the method by which rusting of iron can be prevented are greasing or galvanization. Okay, greasing and galvanization. You can also write electroplating, alloying. Fourth one, changes in which only dash properties of substance change, they are called physical changes. So in physical changes, only physical properties are changed. So what will come here? Physical. And the fifth and the last fill-up. Changes in which new substances are formed, they are called chemical changes. So the change in which new substances are formed, we call them chemical changes. Now question number 11th. The gas we use in the kitchen is called liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. In the cylinder, it exists as a liquid. When it comes out from the cylinder, it becomes a gas. This is change A. So change A is a physical change when a liquid changes into gas. Then it burns and changes B. So this change is a chemical change. Change A is physical and change B is a chemical, because when gas burn it produces heat, light, and this is a chemical change. So your option second is right, that process B is a chemical change. So B is the right answer in 11th question. B option is the right one. Now the 12th question. Anaerobic bacteria, they digest animal waste, produce biogas. So when they digest animal waste and produce biogas, this is change A and it is a chemical change. The biogas is then burned as fuel. This is change B. It is also a chemical change. So both processes A and B are chemical change. So 12th C option is right, that both of these changes are chemical change. So I hope all the exercise given in the chapter is now clear to you. So this was all for today. I hope the chapter is clear to you, exercise of the chapter is clear to you. Thank you students, have a good day.